which passes through the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? This was the formula for finding slope. Slope is actually one term to measure the inclination of line with positive direction of x-axis. So that's why this slope is also equal to tan alpha, where alpha is the angle of line with positive x-axis. Some important point that slope of horizontal line is 0 and vertical line is infinity, not defined. Then one formula is there for measuring angle between two lines, say L1 and L2. If their slopes are m1 and m2, then the angle between them, the formula is given by tan theta equal to magnitude of m1 minus m2 or m2 minus m1 whole upon 1 plus m1 m2. Whole magnitude means tan theta will be positive and theta will be acute angle. Keep remember, when two lines intersect, they make actually 4 angles, in which 2 angles are vertically opposite angles, and hence they are equal. Even the adjacent angle also have a difference, have a relation that one angle is theta, then the other will be 180 minus theta. So out of all those 4 angles, it is always sufficient to give only one angle. So that is why we tell only acute angle and take modulus. This is some important conclusions we derived from this, that two lines will be parallel if and only if their slopes are equal, will be perpendicular if and only if m1 m2 equals to -1. And we analyze these things while discussing these formula, and some more things we derived from them. Then 3 points ABC are collinear if and only if their slopes are equal. AB and BC slopes are equal. Horizontal line equation is given by y equal to a, where a may be plus or minus. Similarly, vertical line equation is given by x equal to plus minus b. Equation of line passing through one point is y minus y0 equal to m multiplied with x minus x0, where m is the slope and point on the line is x0, y0 here. Similarly, equation of line passing through 2 points is, say the points are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then, yeah, this is. Say the points on the line are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the equation of line is given by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of line passing through 2 points. Then some more standard equations. One equation is slope intercept form, equation of line in slope intercept form. This equation y equal to mx plus c is the equation of line in slope intercept form, where x multiplier y is kept in extreme left and its multiplier is 1, and x multiplier gives slope of the line. And this c, can someone tell me what does this c represents? Any one of you? Can someone tell me what is the meaning of C? Geometrical meaning?
Intercept on y-axis.
Intercept on y-axis, correct. This is y-intercept C in the slope intercept form. Then next point is also similarly explained. Then one more equation, and this is called as equation of line in intercept form. Suppose a line cuts x-axis and at capital A, and that OA is small a, x-intercept is small a, and y-intercept cut by the line on y-axis is small b. Then the equation of line is written as x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. The characteristic of this form is that it contains 1 in the right hand side, and this denominators a and b gives the intercept of line cut on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Then one more standard form is normal form. This normal form is given by x cos omega plus y sin omega equals to p, where p, this p is the length of perpendicular drawn from origin on the line, and this omega is the angle between x-axis, positive side of x-axis, and that perpendicular drawn from origin on the line. X cos omega plus y sin omega equals to p. And the very popular, most popular form, general equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. This is a linear equation. This is a 1 degree equation in 2 variables. One more formula we discussed and used in many questions, that suppose any line is given ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and any point is given x1 y1, then perpendicular distance of the point x1 y1 from the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is given by magnitude of, what you do, you take the entire equation of line, and this x coordinate will come in place of x coordinate of point will come in place of x, and it will become ax1 plus similarly by1 plus c whole upon root of a square plus b square, where a and b are x and y multipliers respectively. If two lines are parallel, suppose ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Note that if they are parallel, their x and y multipliers will be same, or maximum maybe in same ratio. Only the difference of constants will be there. Then the distance between parallel lines will remain constant, and the distance is given by magnitude of c1 minus c2 whole upon root of a square plus b square. So these many formula, this was the quick summary of the chapter straight lines, and we discussed this all in bit speed. In very quickly we can discuss them all. It's only for those people who became irregular and didn't attend some of the previous classes. I request you all that please submit your work, keep your work complete and submit your work in the Google Classroom. We discussed some activities also. That work also please complete and submit. My dears, keep your work regularly completed so that you don't feel burdened. ठीक है, आगे बात करते हैं miscellaneous examples पे. Miscellaneous example, first I request someone to read. Bhumika, will you read first miscellaneous example? And all the students, please get ready with your textbooks. Perhaps page number 228. Bhumika, are you there? Seems Bhumika is not answering. Gauravi Gupta will read 21st question. I know, 20th example.
Yes, sir.
Gauravi, please.
If the lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0, 5x plus ky minus 3 is equals to 0, and 3x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0 are concurrent, find the value of k.
Okay, can you repeat the equations, Gauravi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0.
Yeah.
And 5x plus ky minus 3 is equals to 0. 3x minus y minus 2 is equals to 0.
Okay. Are concurrent. I have to get the value of k.
Yes, sir.
Concurrent means what, Gauravi?
All the lines meet at a point.
Right. See, two lines, they either will intersect or not, they will not intersect. Suppose they intersect. And third line also passes through the same point of intersection. Like this. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3, suppose. Then we say lines are concurrent. This is the meaning of concurrency. Then I have to get the value of k. What should I do, students? This type of question we have discussed in miscellaneous exercise. What to do, students? क्या करें? गौरव शर्मा बताओगे क्या करें? सिंपल है ना, लाइन फर्स्ट एंड लाइन 3 को सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, है ना, एंड लेट अस गेट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन and those coordinates, let us substitute in equation number 2. So solving, and आप भी मेरे साथ साथ अपनी नोटबुक्स में सॉल्व कीजिए. Of course solution may be given in miscellaneous examples, but solve. And the third one, and add them, and very easily we get x equal to 1. If I put in first equation, I will get y equals to 1. So point of intersection of line 1 and 2 is 1 1. Now since line 2 also passes through same point because they are concurrent, so what to do? Let us put this point of intersection whose coordinates are 1 1 in line number 2. So this becomes 5 into 1 plus k into 1 minus 3 equal to 0. And this becomes k plus 2 equals to 0. So k becomes, Gauravi, is this right? Gauravi, is this right? I hope it should be right. Then let us move towards the next example, example number 21st. Someone, Ankit, will you read 21st example? Ankit, will you read 21st example? Yes, please. Yes, Ankit, I'm waiting.
Find the distance of the line 4x minus y equal to 0
Okay.
from the point P 4, 1
From the point 4, 1, P, okay.
measured along the line,
Huh.
making an angle of 135 degree with
Okay.
the positive x-axis.
Okay. So this y equals to 4x. This y equal to x line bisects, passes through origin and bisects the quadrants, first and third. So y equal to 4x, y equal to x line is inclined at 45 degree. Y equal to 4x will have more slope, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा inclination होगा. तो draw करते हैं इसका ग्राफ origin से पास हो रही है, थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा x axis के साथ एंगल बन रहा है. ये लाइन हो गई 4x minus y equals to 0. Okay, fine. And then another point is there 4, 1 somewhere here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1 somewhere here. This is the point, and its distance I have to find from this line, but not perpendicular distance. If they say only this much, that find the distance of this point P 4, 1 from the line 4x minus y equal to 0, then we have to find only perpendicular distance. And the formula we have ax1 plus by1 plus c whole magnitude divided by root of a square plus b square. This can be applied. But the thing is, in this question, they have asked that find the distance of this point from this line along another line which creates 135 degree from positive x-axis. Suppose this is the direction and this point is Q, then actually I have to find out PQ. This is the question. So how to do, students? Suggestion? Of course, that is a solved example. How to do, students? Ayushi Verma? Ayushi, how to do it? I have to get PQ. How to do it? Mimansa Sani, how to do it? Mimansa, are you there? Mimansa, Ayushi, Subhashin?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Ayush, Mimansa, how to do it? This is example number 21st. Simple है. पहले because मुझे इस slant direction में ये line जो कि x axis positive x axis से 135 degree create कर रही है, इससे मुझे इसके along distance of this point P from the given line 4x minus y equal to 0 I have to find. PQ distance I have to find actually. This is point P. So let us get the equation of this PQ and then solve it with the given equation. Then Q coordinates you will get. So what should be equation of PQ? Devanshi, what should be equation of PQ? मुझे बहुत निराशा हो रही है इस समय कि हम सारी एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व कर चुके हैं और रिस्पांस बहुत ही कम आ रहा है, मिनिमम आ रहा है. Devanshi Mishra, what should be equation of PQ?
Yes, sir.
Devanshi,
Equation of P distance between PQ.
हाँ वो निकालना है. I'm first. My plan is to write equation of PQ. What should be the equation of PQ?
So first we find the slope between P and Q.
Not by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Q coordinates तो है ही नहीं मेरे पास ना. Actually, positive x-axis से angle given है 135 degree. So its slope will be tan 135. है ना? And there is a formula for equation of line passing through one point. क्या होता है देवांशी? बोलो. तो देख रहे हैं आप, मैं एक रोकता हूँ इस समय क्लास को, कि यही हालात जो है ये मुझे साफ इशारा कर रहे हैं कि क्लास का जो हमारा लेवल है वो अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है. बहुत सारे लूप होल्स हैं, बहुत सारे डलनेस जैसी स्थिति है. तो इसका मुझे साफ साफ वाइब्रेशंस आ रहे हैं पूरी क्लास से कि स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस. So if you are not solving, you will not get the things, my dears. Right now, you please solve. Pichla chhuta hai, no issue. Please start solving with me. You'll feel happy. Your work will be completed. Otherwise, no issue how much good student you are. Your goodness is measured by the good work you do. Goodness is not measured by your previous class marks or by your, your attitude. You do good work, you'll be good student. You don't do good work, you will not be a good student, my dears. So equation of PQ, what should be? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, and I have been given the point. This is 4 1, so put it there. Y minus 1 equals to m is tan 135 into x minus 4. tan 135 कैसे निकालूं? What should be the value of tan 135? बोलो बोलो students.
-1.
-1 कैसे आया? कैसे आया? tan 180 माइनस ऐसे आया होगा, है ना? तो अलग से निकाल लीजिए. This is 180 minus 45 minus tan 45, तो -1 बिल्कुल. इसको सेपरेटली निकाला और वहां डायरेक्टली पुट कर दिया. So this will be -1 into x minus 4. Let us solve it. लेकिन हम करेंगे क्या? PQ का इक्वेशन का आगे का सोचा है?
पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकाल लेंगे y is equal to 4x.
पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन निकाल लेंगे बिल्कुल, क्योंकि ये इक्वेशन तो मुझे गिवन है. PQ की इक्वेशन भी आ गई तो Q कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल जाएंगे, पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. एंड वंस यू गेट Q कोऑर्डिनेट्स, P are already given, distance formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus blah blah blah. Let us use that. पर पहले मैं इसको सॉल्व कर लें. Solving with y equal to 4x. So putting 4x here in place of y. So x plus 4x equal to 5, which will give you 5x equal to 5. Means x equal to 1 and y equal to 4x, so y equal to 4. So Q coordinates will become how much? 1,4. This will become Q coordinates, and now PQ distance can be calculated by distance formula. Simple. Samjhe? PQ will be 4 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. 3 square plus 3 square. 3 root 2. Check the answer. Is this right? I hope it should be right. This was 21st example. So all the students, please get it. मेरे साथ साथ चलिए, मेरे साथ साथ उसको solve करते रहिए, answer match करते रहिए. Moving towards the next question. Ravi, will you read the next question? 22nd example. Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Ravi, 22nd.
Assuming that
हाँ.
Assuming
सारे
that
students please ध्यान दीजिए, and all the students keep paying attention on each and every step. I'll catch anyone and call the name and will ask the question, and you please respond. Yes, no, sahi, galat, kuch bhi. But please respond. Yes.
Assuming that straight lines work as the plane mirror
Okay.
for a point,
Mm-hmm.
find the image of the point 1, comma 2 in the
1 comma
line in the line x minus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0.
x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have to find out the image of this point about the plane mirror whose equation
Yes,
is
sir.
this. Okay. So इसको मैं properly नहीं draw कर रहा हूँ कुछ भी. Suppose this is the line and its equation is x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. And suppose this is the point P whose coordinates are 1, 2. Then it's as per the basic image concept, the distance between the mirror and object is quite same as the distance between mirror and the image. So its image will form on this line somewhere here. Say it is Q. Then if this point is A, then PA must be equal to AQ. So how to do it? Similar question was there in miscellaneous exercise and we discussed that. Any suggestion? कोई मुझे discuss करे? प्रांजल नाहर मुझे बताएंगे कि क्या इसमें किया जा सकता है? If अगर आप मुझे सुन रहे हो, प्रांजल नाहर, are you listening me? अरे बोलो yes no. हाँ प्रांजल, तो क्या किया जाए इसमें कुछ सजेशन? मुझे इमेज निकालना है 1,2 का.
We can use that since these are perpendicular also, so m1 into m2 is equal to -1.
हाँ, you are
We
right.
can use that. So we can get an equation.
Equation of PQ निकाल सकते हैं. You are right. So you are going in correct direction. But पहले मैं इस लाइन का स्लोप निकाल लेता हूँ. Can you tell me what should be the slope of this line? फॉर्मूला होता है -a/b. तो इसका स्लोप कितना?
It would come if we'll solve it though.
हाँ, इसका स्लोप हो जाएगा -1/-3. 1/3 is the slope of this line. Okay, the slope is -1/-3 means 1/3. Then slope of PQ M2 will be -1/m1, perpendicular line slope, -1/m1. And this is going to be -1/1/3, means -3. Now equation of PQ can be written. We'll find out PQ, equation of PQ. Keep remember the equation of line passing through one point. Popular formula y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So if I use this formula, I know the slope of our line, which is -3, and I know one point on the line, which is 1, 2. So what should be the equation of PQ? Equation of PQ will be 1, 2. Y minus 2 equal to -3 into x minus 1. And thoda sa simplification, y minus 2 equals to -3x plus 3. And this will become 3x plus y equals to 5. This is. Now, let us get A coordinates. How to get A coordinates, students? How to get A coordinates? A coordinates. To get A coordinates, let us solve these two equations. भाई A क्या है? A तो point of intersection है किसका? इस line का और PQ जिसकी equation मुझे अभी भी मिली है. तो solving, एक ये line है मेरी और दूसरी line है PQ. 3x plus y equal to 5. या -5 equal to 0. I think I have to give a multiply, or let us put x equal to 3y minus 4 here. us see how much will come. This will become 9y minus 12 plus y equals to 5. So 10y equals to 17 and y equals to 17 upon 10. And if I put in first equation, so x equals to 3y minus 4. And this will become 3 into 17 by 10 minus 4. This will become 51 minus 40 whole upon 10, or how much it is? 51 minus 40? This will become 11 upon 10. So point of intersection, the name was A. So A coordinates are 11 upon 10, comma 17 by 10. Right? But we have to find out image, and to image is Q. So what should I do to get Q coordinates, students? मैं क्या करूं Q coordinates find out करने के लिए? भूमिका
फॉर्मूला
क्या क्या हाँ क्या यूज करूं? बोलो भूमिका मीना, आर यू देयर? कैन यू टेल मैं क्या करूं इसमें Q कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने के लिए? भूमिका और सुभाषिनी और यास्मीन, एनी वन ऑफ दीज थ्री?
Sir, PQ will be double of PA.
Yes, correct. Then I have P, I have A. I want Q coordinates. What should I do?
We can find the PQ distance, and by using distance formula we can find.
PQ distance, फिर नहीं मुझे Q coordinates कैसे मिलेंगे? PQ distance में से मिलेगी कैसे when I don't have Q coordinates?
We have P and A coordinates, so we can find the distance by using distance formula. We can find the length and
distance.
double of it.
Double of PQ I got. Then after I got PQ, double कर दिया. फिर then क्या किया जाए? बोलो. Mimansa Sani, what should I do to get Q coordinates? I have A, I have got A. I have got A coordinates and I have P coordinates. What should I do to get Q coordinates? Mimansa. बोलो yes, no, कुछ तो बोलो.
No, sir, I don't know.
अरे ऐसा कैसे? मैं मान ही नहीं सकता कि मीमांसा को नहीं पता होगा. तुमने ध्यान से देखा नहीं होगा स्टेप. रवि क्या करें बताओ?
सर ए इज द मिडपॉइंट ऑफ पी क्यू, तो पी क्यू को x, y मान लेंगे तो x + 1/2 इक्वल्स टू ए का वो था.
यस देखो रवि स्टेप्स को फॉलो कर रहा होगा इसलिए उसने बता दिया. इसको x, y मान लीजिए जैसे.
यस सर.
और फिर a मिड पॉइंट है तो कोऑर्डिनेट्स में मिड पॉइंट का फॉर्मूला होता है x1 + x2 होल बाय 2.
x + 1/2 इक्वल्स टू 11/10.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. तो देखा स्टूडेंट्स, note that A is the midpoint of PQ. So A coordinates will be given by x + 1 whole by 2, comma y + 2 whole by 2. This will be capital A coordinates by section formula, and this will be equal to the coordinates which I have already got by point of intersection method, and then I'll equate the respective values. So let us equate and get. So x + 1 whole by 2 is equal to 11 by 10. So it means x equal to 11 by 5 minus 1. So x equal to 6 by 5. And then let us equate the other coordinate, y coordinate also. This will become y + 2 whole by 2 equal to 17 by 10. So y equal to 17 by 5 minus 2. Y equals to 17 minus 10. 7 by 5. तो मुझे x मिल गया, y मिल गया, and मेरे q coordinates ready हो गए. It means that so q coordinates are 6 by 5, 7 by 5. I hope this should be right. Please check it, है ना? और प्लीज सॉल्व जरूर करते रहिए, बिकॉज उससे आपका रेगुलरिटी मेंटेन रहेगा. ठीक है. अदरवाइज अगला क्वेश्चन जरूर मेरे साथ साथ सॉल्व कीजिए इफ यू हैव नॉट सॉल्व्ड इट. आई होप दिस आंसर मस्ट बी राइट. Please read the next question. Someone, Harshit Yadav, will you read the next question? Example number perhaps 23rd. Harshit, are you there listening? No response from Harshit's side. Saloni Dhakar, will you read 23rd example?
Yes, sir.
Saloni, please read और मुझे suggestion भी दीजिएगा कि कैसे करना है. Please read 23rd.
Show that the area of a triangle formed by the lines y equal to m1x plus c1, y equals to m2x plus c2, and x equals to 0 is c2 minus c1 minus c2 का whole square upon 2 modulus m1 minus m2.
Okay, what is the third equation?
X equals to 0.
So area of triangle formed by them is how much to prove?
C1 minus C2 whole square
Yeah.
upon 2 modulus M1 minus M2.
कैसे करें?
सर पहले तो उसका फिगर बनाएंगे.
Yes, graph, let us draw. So graph to draw, I don't know exact values of M1 and C1 and M2 and C2, but x equal to 0 will be certainly which line? X equal to 0 will be which line?
Y equals to mx1 plus c1.
Yeah, this line will be which? X equal to 0. ये किसका equation है? सलोनी. ये y axis है, my dear. Y axis. ठीक है. तो ये तो हो गई y axis. दूसरी दो लाइंस आप कैसी भी ड्रॉ करा दीजिए. सपोज एक है ये है और दूसरी ये है. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि कहाँ पे कट करेंगे. सपोज ऐसा. अब बताओ क्या किया जाए. सपोज ये है y इक्वल टू m2x प्लस c2 और ये है y इक्वल टू m1x प्लस c1. तो क्या किया जाए? ये नेम दे देते हैं. लेट इट बी a, लेट इट बी b, लेट इट बी c. हाँ. तो मुझे आई थिंक कोऑर्डिनेट्स वी नीड फॉर ऑल द 3 पॉइंट्स. सो हाउ टू गेट b कोऑर्डिनेट्स? b point is lying on y-axis and thus its x coordinate will be 0. So its coordinate will be x 0 comma, and how to get y coordinate? You put here x equal to 0. So if you put here x equal to 0, how much will be y coordinate? Y will be equal to c1. So 0 comma c1 should be b coordinates. And similarly for this point c, because this point lies on y-axis, so x coordinate will be 0, and y coordinate in this line you put x equal to 0, so y equal to c2. This is so in this triangle, triangle ABC, we have got 2 vertices. Third vertex को कैसे निकाला जाए? Capital A coordinates. To get capital A coordinates, we have to solve these 2 equations. So for capital A coordinates, let us solve these 2. Y equal to m1x plus c1, y equal to m2x plus c2. Solve. And this will give you 0 equals to m1 minus m2 into x plus c1 minus c2, and then x equal to shifting this side, c2 minus c1 whole upon m1 minus m2. This is x coordinate. Let us get y coordinate also. So y coordinate will become but if I use that what formula should I use to get the area of triangle? Half base into height. If I apply base will be this will be c1 plus c2 and height will be, this should be the height. This is what? This is x coordinate only. This is x coordinate only. So x coordinate तो मैं इसका निकाल चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी, ठीक है. तो चलो ये अप्लाई करता हूँ. So this much only is enough. Then area of triangle, the formula is half base into height. So it's base BC, if I consider this is C1, this is C2, so it will be C1 plus C2. Plus or minus should I take? वो तो मैंने नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस पे लिया है, जरूरी थोड़ी C2 की वैल्यू नेगेटिव हो, है ना. In general, if I take, I should take, suppose both are positive, so in one side only will take. उसका खुद का साइन जो कुछ भी हो, तो actually in between distance if you have to find, it will be C1 difference C2. मैग्नीट्यूड ले लेंगे बाद में. C1 minus C2 यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, this is base, into height will be, this x coordinate should be the height, which I have got C2 minus C1 whole upon M1 minus M2. एंड पता नहीं इसमें कौन सा पॉजिटिव होगा कौन सा नेगेटिव, तो पूरा मॉडुलस, क्योंकि एरिया है, इट मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन दे देते हैं. दिस इज C1 minus C2, this is C2 minus C1, माइनस कॉमन लेके नीचे मिक्स कर दीजिए, देन दिस विल बिकम, सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल विल बिकम हाफ, कुछ भी लिख दीजिए जो मुझे लाना है वो लिख दीजिए, C1 minus C2 होल स्क्वायर एंड डिवाइडेड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ M1 minus M2. ठीक है, बिकॉज होल स्क्वायर है तो वहां पे मैग्नीट्यूड की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ नीचे हमने मैग्नीट्यूड ले लिया. सो दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. पहले मैं सोच रहा था कि तीनों के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालेंगे, कैपिटल ए के भी वाई कोऑर्डिनेट भी निकालेंगे, जो कि थोड़ा और हैवी होता. फिर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का एक जो कार्टेशियन ज्योमेट्री में फॉर्मूला है वो यूज करते, बट ये फॉर्मूला यूज करने से इवन सिंपलर इट इज, है ना. तो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 23rd, एग्जांपल 23rd. Let us move towards the next example. Please complete it yourself. Netra Narasimhan, will you read 24th miscellaneous example? Netra.
Yes, sir.
Netra, 24th is good one, I think. Huh? Yes, please read Netra, 24th. Yes, Netra. Yes, Netra, please. Are you ready, Netra?
Yes, sir.
Please read 24th example.
A line is such that its segment between the lines 5x minus y plus 4 equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 4 equals to 0.
3x plus 4y plus 4
minus 4
minus 4 equals to 0. Yes.
Is bisected at the point 1, 5.
Is bisected at the point 1, 5. Okay.
Obtain its equation.
Obtain its equation. Okay. So two lines are there, and suppose this is line 1, this is line 2, and there is a line, third line. This is line 1. 5x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Line 1. And this is line 2, 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. And this is line 3, our desired line, whose equation we have to find. And this, suppose this point is P, this point is Q. So PQ is bisected at the point, suppose this is R, and its coordinates are 1, 5. So मुझे PQ का equation चाहिए है. So to get PQ equation, I can apply this formula, equation of line passing through one point, because one point I know 1, 5. So I can apply y minus 1 equals to m into x minus y minus 5 equal to m into x minus 1, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. I can apply, but the thing is that slope how to get. मुझे P या Q में से कम एक पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए होंगे. Equations में जाना पड़ेगा. So I have to assume, I have no other option. Let it be alpha 1 beta 1 and let it be alpha 2 beta 2. मिड पॉइंट इसका भी मुझे यूज करना पड़ेगा. So first let us get one equation in alpha 1 and beta 1 because this point is lying on this line, so we'll satisfy. Since बाकी लैंग्वेज नहीं लिख रहा हूं, फिगर से कोट कर रहा हूं. Since p alpha 1 beta 1 lies on line 1, so put the coordinates in line 1. 5 alpha 1 minus beta 1 plus 4 equal to 0. And similarly, since q alpha 2 beta 2 lies on line 2, so put these coordinates here. So 3 alpha 2 plus 4 beta 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. तो ये दो इक्वेशन में सॉल्व कर लेता, लेकिन दोनों में अलग अलग वेरिएबल है. अल्फा 1 अल्फा 2 बीटा 1 बीटा 2 अलग अलग वेरिएबल है, सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता. तो मैं इन दोनों को कनेक्ट करने के लिए एक और हमारे पास है कि r इज मिड पॉइंट ऑफ पी. पहले इनको कुछ नेम दे देते हैं. लेट इट बी इक्वेशन 3, लेट इट बी 4. एंड नाउ सिंस r 1,5 is midpoint of, it is given midpoint of PQ, so alpha 1 plus alpha 2 whole by 2 is equal to 1 and beta 1 plus beta 2 whole by 2 is equal to 5. तो यहां से एक इक्वेशन हमारे पास अल्फा 1 बीटा 1 में पहले से है. इस इक्वेशन को भी हम इसके हेल्प से अल्फा 1 बीटा 1 में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. So if I get the value of alpha 2 from here, alpha 2 will be 2 minus alpha 1 and beta 2 will be 10 minus beta 1. These things putting in 4. So let us substitute these things in equation number 4 and then this will become, this is 4. 3 alpha 2 plus 4 beta 2 equal to 4. This is 3 alpha 2 के प्लेस में 2 minus alpha 1 plus 4 beta 2 के प्लेस में 10 minus beta 1 is equal to 4. Simplifying it, 6 minus 3 alpha 1 plus 40 minus 4 beta 1 equals to 4. And this will give you how much, students? 40. This 6 minus 4 will be 2. 42 will be equal to 3 alpha 1 plus 4 beta 1. Please check करते जाइएगा. This is equation number suppose 5. Now 3 and 5 दोनों ही alpha 1 beta 1 में इनको solve करा लीजिए. Okay. So this is 3, this is 5, this is 3. So this multiply with the 4. 4 से multiply करा दीजिए. तो 20 alpha 1 minus 4 beta 1 plus 16 equal to 0. This as it is 3 alpha 1 plus 4 beta 1 minus 42 equal to 0. Sub add, and if you add, this will become 23 alpha 1. This is how much, students? Equals to 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Yeah. So alpha 1 is equal to 26 upon 23 and beta 1 from this equation, beta 1 will be 5 alpha 1 plus 4 and this will be 5 into 26 upon 23 plus 4. So how much, students? 130 plus 23 into 4 how much? कोई हेल्प करो मेरी कैलकुलेशन में स्टूडेंट्स. 4 3 is 12, 92.23. This will be 222 upon 23. So Now this P coordinates I have got here. So P coordinates are 26 upon 23, comma 222 upon 23. 2 points now we have got. One is P, one is R. Equation of line passing through 2 points can be written. So let us write equation of PQ. So equation of PQ will be y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1, 5 minus 222 on 23 upon x2 minus x1, 21 minus 26 upon 23. So y minus 5 is equal to simplify. Cross multiply. Somebody please check the answer. Gauravi, is this right? Is this right answer? Gauravi, is this right answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
पहले 107 minus 15 कितना हुआ वो तो बताओ.
92.
92. Check the answer. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो कैलकुलेशन प्लीज चेक कर लीजिएगा. और ओवरऑल आई होप यू मस्ट हैव गॉट द मेथड कि हमने इसमें क्या किया. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए, कैलकुलेशन में उतने हैवी नहीं है, ख्याल रखिए कि एरर ना हो. बाकी तो आराम से इसका आंसर आ ही जाएगा. इज देयर एनी मोर मिसलेनियस एग्जांपल? Any more miscellaneous example? This was 24th miscellaneous example. Yeah, one more miscellaneous example is there. Example number 25. Yeah, and 25 similar question I think we have done. Let us see quickly. This also. Example number 25 on your screen, it is now visible. Show that, the question says, show that the path of a moving point such that its distances from two lines are equal, are always equal. So similar question was there in miscellaneous exercise, and similar work we have to do here. First of all, wherever you have to find out the path of a moving point. इस क्वेश्चन में और इस जैसा कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, जब कभी भी हमें पाथ ऑफ ए मूविंग पॉइंट निकालना है, व्हेन वी शुड अज्यूम द मूविंग पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट सपोज x, y, और in this question we have assumed h, k. Then get an equation between h and k and then generalize it by replace it by x and y. That will be the equation of our desired path. So given that this moving point moves in such a way so that its distance from this line and another line is equal. So point is hk, apply the distance formula, get the first distance, get the second distance, and in this equation, two modulus are appearing. Remove modulus sign and put plus minus. So two cases will occur, and in both the cases you will get a linear equation in h and k. Linear equation means equation of degree 1, means the exponent of h or k should not contain 2 or 3 like that. So degree is 1. So because its degree is 1, if you generalize, replace it with x and y, because its degree is 1, they have solved it here actually. That also was not required. You could have finished up to here itself. Because its degree is 1. Oh, some terms are getting cancelled. Actually, this is the final equation. This is the final equation. So this is the final equation. This is a linear equation. That's why the moving point moves along the straight line. So this was miscellaneous examples. I hope you must have got the things.